Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create a character mask pattern from a clay sculpt. I'll be demonstrating this method with Jackie's mask from the comic The Darkness. This method is useful for when you can't find a pattern online or if you're unable to design one. It's also a fun way of envisioning what your final piece will look like. Start off by blocking out the shape of the mask with clay. There are plenty of tutorials showing you how to make your own face cast, but you can also use a wig mannequin shaped or built up to your face measurements. Once the shape is blocked out, you can start building up and defining features with the use of clay and sculpting tools. The reason you only need to sculpt one half of the mask is that the pattern will be flipped for the other half. This saves on sculpting time and also ensures that the pattern will be symmetrical. It helps to follow a drawing or a reference picture with the right measurements and realistic proportions. This helps to ensure that the eyes and nose have the appropriate spacing you need to allow proper vision and breathing. Keep your middle line as straight as possible and keep a check on all angles until you are satisfied with your sculpt. Time to wrap it all up with the cling wrap and tape. I use masking tape, but duct tape will work just as well. Make sure that the tape is stuck down properly and is not bubbling. Mark out the pattern pieces on the tape with a marker. Use edges and contours as joining lines and make sure that each piece is able to be traced out onto a flat surface. Number each piece and take a photo or make a sketch as a reminder of what goes where. Insert your lineup marks. These will help when gluing all the pieces together. After carefully removing the cling wrap and tape, cut out each pattern piece. Cut a notch on all the lineup marks. After testing the pattern pieces, you can trace them onto thick paper or cardboard. The middle pattern pieces should have a straight edge. Keep in mind that all these pieces will be flipped to create the other half of the mask. Cut out all the pieces neatly, making sure they are all numbered and marked correctly and that all the lineup notches are cut as well. You now have your mask pattern. Time to test it out. I used 5mm EVA foam as it is quite dense, allowing the mask to hold its structure. Remember that any extra foam sculpting or priming you add will give the mask more structure as well. On pieces that you want a sharper join, cut the foam at a 45-degree angle. Make sure that all the line-up marks are clear enough on each piece. You can now flip your pattern to cut the other half. Apply contact adhesive to all the sides you want to join. When the glue is tacky, join up the pieces. Make sure that all the marks line up. Always start from the edge and force the two sides together carefully so that no overlapping or misalignment happens. Apply another layer of glue on stubborn parts that don't want to stick. Once you have your other half, you can join the two together. And there we go, a mask. You can now add features and details with sculpting foam, soft foam and embellishments, which can be prepped and primed for painting or covered in fabric or thermoplastics such as warbler. That's it for part 1. In part 2, I will show you how to add features and more details to bring your mask alive. If you found this tutorial useful, then please leave a like. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you wish to see more, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.